Hi guys, it's Phoebe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look, my second anti-Valentine's Day look, this time using green. Hope you guys enjoy this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today we're going to be going into the Morphe 39A palette and we're going to start off with that green. I start off by tapping it on with the e.l.f. blending eye brush. And then I will start to blend it out. Picking up a little bit more of that green shade, I'm going to start to build it up. And take your time to blend. Make sure to go up to the brow bone and blend out. And then we're going to go back into the palette and take that deeper green color and add it into the crease using the e.l.f. crease brush. And depending how intense you want the color to be, you keep going into the palette and just build it up a little bit more. And going back to the blending brush, just blend those colors. And now with this darker shade, we're going to apply it with an angled liner brush and we're going to be lining the crease. And then taking a little bit more to build it up. And then blending it out with our e.l.f. crease brush. And then blending it out more with the e.l.f. blending brush. Next, we're going to take the BH Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer in the color 104 and we're going to start cutting our crease using this BH Cosmetics brush. And I go in little by little and then I wipe my brush on a towel and go back in with more concealer, and that's just so you don't get the green color onto the lid. Next, I'm taking my Juvia's Place The Magic palette and going to take Bozo. It's an emerald green color and I'm going to apply it to the beginning of the lid using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And then back into the 39A palette, we're going to take that green shimmery shade and we're going to apply it to the outer end of the lid. And it's okay if we have fallout. You could just go in with a big blending brush and just wipe it off. And now going in with the NYX glitter primer, we're going to start forming like a wing. We're going to take it little by little and then top it off with the BH Cosmetics Warm Espresso glitter. And you want to go little by little with primer and then with the glitter, because if you apply the wing with the glitter primer and then go with the glitter, it's going to dry off and the glitter won't stick. So that's why you want to go little by little. A little bit of primer and then put some glitter, and then go back into the primer and apply more glitter. I hope I'm making sense and I didn't just confuse you guys. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. And as you guys can see, it takes time to form the glitter wing, but it'll all be worth it in the end. And next we're going to go in with our Ciate Wonderwand black eyeliner, and we're going to apply it to the waterline, and we're going to bring it a little bit down to our lash line. Then we're going to take the second green shade that we used at the top, and we're going to apply it to the lower lash line. And now with the first green shade that we used at the top, we're going to take it on our e.l.f. crease brush and we're going to start blending that out. And with our blending brush, we're just going to make sure that those colors are well blended. And now we apply our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to go in with the Velux by Anti-Valentine Rèal-Bisou and applying them with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'll apply the mascara to the lower lashes, and I'm going to go in with the inner corner highlight. This is by Wet n Wild. It's called Golden Flower Crown. And I'm also going to apply it to the brow bone. And one last time, blending it all out. And to set my brows, I went in with the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. And this brings us to our final look, this Anti-Valentine's Day look, this time using green shades. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.